Welcome to this new video course, in which we'll get to know Adobe Express. In this first video, we'll see how to install the app, the main tools we can use, and we'll give a basic practical example. Adobe Express is an online and mobile design app that allows us to easily create graphics, short films, and web pages. Typing Adobe Express on any search engine will take you to this homepage. By scrolling quickly to the top bar and selecting Create, you will notice that Adobe has a pre-made templates suitable for the creation of social content. Here we can read Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. We can also create different types of documents and marketing tools. In fact, if we go on models, we can see that Adobe has a special section to facilitate the work of small businesses, providing simple tools and tips for promotion. Moving to the right, we find plans and offers. As you can see, there is a free plan, which is the one we will use together in these videos. But you can also upgrade your plan to unlock more templates, resources, and funds. You'll also unlock more generative credits that give us the ability to use generative artificial intelligence. If we go back to the homepage, we'll see some examples over here. We can generate images just by giving a description, adding or removing elements with a prompt, and also applying textures to our writings. All of these online features are also available on the app. Whether you prefer to use the website or the app, you will need an internet connection, but downloading the app to your computer or mobile device may be more convenient if you use Adobe Express often. Let's see how to download it. You can select the store from your computer's menu, type in Adobe Express, and click on it to install it. The installation will only take a few moments. Once completed, you can launch the program from the menu, the taskbar, or the desktop. As you can see in the main menu, you can find the same tools we've seen on the website, such as social media, videos, photos, documents, marketing, and generative artificial intelligence. Here on the top of the left, we have buttons to make a new project, to go back to the homepage, Your Stuff, where we can find files and projects you already worked on, Brands, to easily apply logos, colors, and fonts to go along your brand identity. Also, this crown over here means that this is a premium feature. Down here we have templates we can work on or get inspired by, schedule to plan time and date of your posts on social media, learn to access quick tutorials, and add-ons to unlock new integrations. In the middle of our screen, we find all the templates we can use, depending on where we want to share our work and how we want to use it. Here we have Instagram Squares post, Instagram Story, Facebook post, Instagram Reel, and so on. Today, to give you an idea on how to use Adobe's tools, we'll make a presentation. So let's click Browse Templates, and a blank page on which we can work on will open up. On the top tab, we can choose Theme, and therefore the color palette that suits best our project. I'm going to choose this one. Next to the theme is shown the background color, and on the bottom, the color palette we just chose. Next to it, we have margins that can be useful to precisely position the elements we're going to add. Over here we have Add Title that we can rename. And then we can move to the left to start adding our elements. Now, as you can see, right now we are on the templates. There is a wide range we can choose from, so once you find the one you like, you can just click on it and it will appear on your page. But today we're gonna make a presentation from scratch. So we're going to upload, select an image we like, and we're going to position it along the margins. We can make it bigger or smaller. Now moving to text, we can pick the one we like. This one in headlines, for example. We can click on it and it will appear on our page. So we can position it as we prefer, and then we can click on the text. Now that we have written, we can size it up just like that. As you can see, when we are working on a text, several suggestions will pop up. Moving to the left, we can also change the font, just like that. Change the font size, make it bold, italic, underline, align center, right or left, add bullets, numbered list, and even adjust text spacing. Right now the text is on default, but we can also change the layouts. For example, we can choose circle and it will appear like that, arch, bow, and just put it back the way we like it before. Then we can also change the color, just like that, or even the outline, as you can see. Once the text is outlined, we can change its thickness and also the opacity of the whole text. Down here, we can flip horizontally, just like that, or flip it vertically. Down here we have text effects that you can have fun playing with, like balloon for example. You can see the way it changes, or even jam stickers. Now let's go back and let's remove the effects. We can also add shadows, like this for example. We have several kinds. And we can also change its color. For example, if we go black, it looks darker. Going back under shadows, we have shapes. As you can see here, now we have a basic shape fill, but we can change that. We have so many different types we can choose from to really custom our project. And also we have animation. Animations are a fun way to engage the attention of the people you're giving this presentation to. Let's choose this one and go back. Now let's change the rest of the text. Let's align to the center. Move it this way a little bit. Now let's play with the elements we have on our page. If we click on this red line, we can select duplicate, and in that way we can move it toward our margin and put it in a column to make our design more organic. Now let's go back to upload, selecting this logo from JB Design and putting it down here, just like that. And also let's say we want to add more elements. We can move over here, search for computer, view all, and look for something we like this one for example. So once we click on it, it will appear on our page. We can move it where we like. So once we are satisfied with our project, we can move to the top tab and either download our project, present it, clicking on it, and you can notice that the red writing is missing, and that's because we added an animation that will appear if we click the right comment, just like that. Also, moving to the right, you can share this project. So this is the end of this first lesson about Adobe Express. Don't forget to tune in to watch the other lessons of this video course on the JBDTube YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.